It's not about learning new things every single day. It's not like that. Most of people think, bro, I'm learning so much, but I'm not improving. What the hell is happening with me? Actually, you are just learning, and you are just stuck in analysis paralysis. You just analyze the things and doing nothing at all. That is the main problem, my friend. So, what is the solution? Solution is very simple. I don't give you, bro, do this. No. It's very simple. If you really want to improve your learning, then apply it. Take action. As simple as that. I can't say, bro, do this. No, very simple. A, B, C, D like. A, B, C, D, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Same as if you're learning, then apply it. Don't wait for something. That is totally pointless that you are waiting too much. Don't wait. And don't say I'm learning. Because I'm learning and doing something. No. You're just learning and doing nothing at all. And that is the main thing you have to understand it. You are just learning and doing nothing. And you are in a comfort zone. Because doing something is very uncomfortable. You can't go. Yes, you can read so easily like wake up every single day early, 5 a.m. But you know that it is very difficult to wake up 5 a.m. So when you read, it's so easy to read. But taking action on that thing is very difficult. That's why most of self-help book never ever help you because it talks about action and what result you will get, but you never take action. And because of that, you are stuck in same place as you are yesterday. So, simple formula is this. Whatever you are learning, you have to take action. Yes, it is very uncomfortable to wake up 5 a.m. That's why nobody is doing that. And that's why nobody is successful. So it's not about waking up early. It's about if you really want something, you have to. There is no choice. Are you getting my point? There is no choice to, oh bro, should I wake up or not? It's not about that. It's about do you really want to get success in your life? So you have to do those things which you really need. You can't say, I don't want to do. There is no chance. There is no option to say that. If you really want to get success, there is no need to say these things. You have to do it. If you're just learning and doing nothing, then totally pointless. You have to put in your mind that I have to take action no matter what problems I face, no matter what I do. Only one thing is important, that is you are really taking action or not. That is very important. Most people learn, lots of people read lots of books, but they never succeed. You know why? Because they never take action. And because of that, they are stuck in the same place. So if you don't want that shit to happen with you, read 1 page every single day, but try to apply those things. And don't choose those books which not related to now. Take an example, you are not in a relationship and you are reading about relationship. What the fuck, bro? What are you doing? You don't need to do that. You have to read about how to study hard, how to study effectively, how to study only 5 hours or 3 hours to get good marks. Choose those things which is relevant to you now, currently. Don't read those things which is totally pointless. Most of people read those things like they are reading about business, but they never done it. And they will never because they are doing their job and it is very uncomfortable, It is very uncomfortable. And if you think, no bro, it is not uncomfortable. It isn't uncomfortable. It is uncomfortable. It is. You can't say it is not. It is uncomfortable. And if you really want to do something, you have to do it. You can't give any fucking excuses because nobody is here to listen your excuses. And nobody wants your excuses to listen. And why the hell they will listen your excuse? Are you special? No. Everyone see only results. Nobody wants your saying, bro, I'm doing lots of hard work. No. Nobody here to listen you those things. They don't want to listen hard work. They want to listen. Did you get a success? They want to see, did you get the success or no? That is the most important thing. Nobody cares how much you do. Nobody cares how much effort you are putting in. They are only cares about, did you get it? And if you get it, then I will listen you or see you. Otherwise, I don't need to see you or listen you. That is totally pointless that I'm listening yours or seeing you. I will just give you taunt. As simple as that, because you didn't achieve it. And this is my responsibility to give you taunt. So, in the end, if you are learning, it's okay you are learning. But you can't stop learning. You can't stop taking action. You can't stop taking action continuously, aggressively, obsessively. It is hard. I'm already said that. It is hard. That's why nobody will do it. But you can. So it's upon you. Do you really want it or not?